Does it really matter where you put your mics? Well, unless you're listening in mono, it does. If you're using stereo configurations correctly, it can really change the sound of the music. It can go from being flat to being full and feeling like you're there. Here, let's try a test. One will be recorded in mono and the other will be recorded with a stereo configuration. This is an excerpt from a score that me and Fernando wrote. I want you to tell me which is the stereo pattern and which one is just with a mono mic. I will reveal it at the end. Recording 1. Recording 2. If you don't own a pair of matching stereo condensers, let's hop on Amazon or skip to this time. Alright, I am in Amazon here, and you can see I searched up stereo pair condenser mics. So there's a lot of options. I'd stay away from these. I see a lot here. I've heard these sound good. They're 109. These are really good for the price. I'd say if you had $110, I'd get these. If you're on a budget, these sound really good. Let's see. My orchestra owns this. These are really good. They sound really, really good. These also sound pretty good. I think I've heard these. Yeah. I'm just looking around really. Samsung, those are gonna be good. Not this brand. But I have something that looks similar like that. That's what we own in-house. These, that's another Behringer C2. In fact, I might throw in a sound test on what they sound like. They sound really good. Huh. Yeah, so I'd say if you're on a budget, go with these if you like the fancy look, but they're not going to be that good as these. This would be my personal pick. Now, unfortunately, when I bought mine, I did not have $110 to spend, but these sound really good, and I'll throw in that video now. Okay, now I am putting together my stereo head using an XY pattern at a 45-degree angle. Now I am putting up my stand, not too high because we still need to mount the rig. Once screwed on, I put it up as high as ours goes. In-house, ours goes up about 7.5 feet. Make sure you have a sandbag on the correct leg. The correct leg will be the leg that is pointing the same direction that your arm is pointing. If you do not do that, it will fall over. This has happened to us on more than one occasion. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. This will really help us out. I know you hear it a lot. Thanks.